Hi, my name is Kevin Moats, and I'm a Network and Security TAM here at VMware. This year I had the opportunity to be one of the co-authors for the NSX-T Getting Started Lab. This lab contains everything that you need to know to get started with NSX-T, from installation to configuration, including the logical, virtual routing and switching, as well as distributed firewall. This lab has 7 different modules. Module 1 is an introduction to NSX-T, where you get introduced to the basic technologies and how the NSX management plane functions. Module 2 covers host and edge transport node preparation and walks you through the configuration of the VTEP and communications necessary for NSX to communicate on the data plane. Module 3 covers logical switching. In this module, you'll review the NSX lab fabric, configure switches, and attach them to virtual machines. Module 4 covers logical routing. In this module, you'll learn how to configure logical routing within NSX for north-south communication and how to make a redundant system. Module 5 is about distributed firewall and tools. In this module, you will configure security policy utilizing the NSX-T distributed firewall. Module 6 covers NSX services. In this module, you'll explore things such as VPN, load balancing, DHCP, and IP management. Finally, Module 7 is an NSX operations overview. In this module, you will go through the day 2 operations, configuration, and functionality that NSX-T has to offer. I hope you have the opportunity to take this lab, and I hope you enjoy it, and we always look for feedback. Thanks, and have a great day.